How to delete your videos on YouTube at once. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then you can also use the app version, but make sure you are in in your desktop. So after you are in your web version of YouTube, tap on your profile icon and then all go to the section where all your posted videos are there. Tap on your profile icon and videos that you have posted will also appear over here. All you have to do is tap and hold the videos and then you will get an option of delete. And tap on it and it will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.